Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci templates. First, navigate to the Edit page in DaVinci Resolve. Look for the Effects library in the top left corner of your screen. Expand the Toolbox section, and then click on Titles or Generators to reveal the template categories. This is where you'll find a vast array of pre-designed elements to enhance your video projects quickly and efficiently, saving you valuable production time. Once in the Effects library, you'll see dozens of template categories from lower thirds to transitions. Browse through these options, perhaps spending a few minutes exploring the different styles available. When you find a template that fits your vision, simply drag and drop it directly onto your timeline. It will appear as a clip, ready for immediate customization within your project, streamlining your workflow significantly. Now for the fun part, customization. Double-click the template on your timeline to open its inspector panel. Here, you can easily change text, adjust colors, and replace placeholder media with your own footage or images. Experiment with the various settings, like font styles or animation speeds, to perfectly match your brand or project's aesthetic. Remember, even small tweaks can make a big difference in the final presentation. After customizing your template, it's time to finalize your work. Play through your sequence several times to ensure everything looks exactly as you intended. Once satisfied, head over to the Deliver page. Select your preferred export format, resolution, like Full High Definition or 4K, and codec. Click Add to Render Queue and then start render to produce your polished video, ready for sharing with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.